I just completed my second soldering project here. It's a little kit I got at the local electronics store. It's it's basically a photophile little insect. So it has battery supplies. It has two DC motors. It has LEDs. Here, these are just indicators. These are two potentiometers to adjust both its light sensitivity and potentially you could calibrate it to make sure that the signals it was getting from either side were balanced. I'm not sure that it's really worth that. And then, as long as my focus isn't soft, you can see these two little things in the front that are silver. They are photoreceptors, just sensitive to normal light. So essentially, when you turn it on, what happens is it, depending on how you've adjusted the potentiometers, it sees what the signals are coming through these two photosensitive resistors, and those trigger the if there's light, then both of the motors fire. If on one side there isn't sufficient light, then that cancels the or it turns off the motor on the opposing side, and as long as there's light on the other side, what will happen is, so this, let's say there's light on this side but not on this side, then this motor will stop and this motor will fire, and so it will tend to turn back towards the light. So let's take a look at it in action. Let's get my tripod balanced here. Okay. And so I don't know if you can see the two little motors wiggling or hear that. I've got the fans on to get